Now, what we need to do in all our traditions is to look at what our traditions tell us about compassion. Every single one of the world religions, as I say, has a special take on compassion. The English word comes from a Greek Latin root meaning kompathein. It means to feel with the other, to put yourself in somebody else's shoes so that you try and see something from their point of view, not just from your own. In Arabic and Hebrew, the word for compassion is related to the word for womb. And that introduces us to the mother love, which is one of the great icons of our humanity, the love of a mother for a child. But mother love is hard because a mother has to get up every night to her crying child, however exhausted she is, put herself on her own needs to one side and concentrate on that child, where he is at every moment of the day. Take responsibility for him. He's always in her mind. And then that cute little baby grows up and can become a horrible disappointment. But the mother doesn't give up. And there's a Buddhist prayer that says, let us cherish all creatures as a mother her only child. We have to have that same responsibility for all creatures. Take responsibility for other people's pain. Not just think that because pain is happening in a distant part of the world, it has nothing to do with us.